The Lofree Flow 2 is a minimalist mechanical keyboard designed with Mac users in mind. I've been testing it in my setup for the past couple of weeks, and while it's proven to be a strong performer, a few quirky design choices mean it might not be for everyone. Before we dive in, a quick note. Lofree did send me this unit for a review, but they've had no input on what I say here. As always, you'll find links to everything featured in this video down in the description. The Flow 2 has just finished its Kickstarter campaign and is now available at retail via the Lofree website. You can choose from 3 different sizes, 65, 75 or 96%. I went for the 65% layout in space grey, mainly because it has that subtle, stealthy look that fits perfectly with my setup. The trade-off with the 65% model is the smaller battery. It's only 2000 mAh, while the bigger layouts step up to 3000. In terms of compatibility, it works with Mac, PC, iOS and Android. You also get 3 connection options: Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz with the USB receiver or wired with USB-C. Inside the box we simply get the keyboard itself, some paperwork, some extra keycaps so you can switch between Mac and PC layouts, a USB receiver and a USB-C to A charging cable. It's worth noting that no keycap or switch puller is provided. So the design of the Flow 2 is definitely one of its highlights. It's machined from a single block of aluminium with a smooth matte finish, and it looks incredible. Overall it has a clean, classy aesthetic that I really like. It's a low profile keyboard, so if you're coming from an Apple keyboard you'll feel right at home, just with a little more key travel. The fold out feet give you a steeper 7-degree typing angle, and the left foot also hides the connection mode switch. Now for the slightly controversial part, the extended bezel or sidebar on the right hand side. This is where you'll find the USB-C port, the battery indicator and a touch bar that lets you control volume or screen brightness on your device. Visually I think the sidebar looks great, but some people might see it as unnecessary. As for the touch bar, I rarely use it since I'm so used to adjusting volume and brightness with keys. One small downside is that if you move the keyboard, it's pretty easy to trigger the touch bar by accident. Thankfully Lofree did include an option to disable it. Just press function and spacebar for 3 seconds and it locks out. In terms of switches you can choose from 3 low profile options: Surfer Linear, Void Silent Linear or Pulse Tactile, all rated at 40G. I have the Pulse Tactile switches on my Space Grey Flow 2. They're pretty smooth to use, but with a slightly firm feel that gives a bit more feedback as you type. The keycaps are excellent too. They're made from PBT plastic with a subtle texture finish, which makes them feel both durable and comfortable. Overall, I'm happy to spend long typing sessions on this keyboard without any issues. So to conclude, for me the Lofree Flow 2 is a keeper. It combines a premium minimalist design with high quality switches and keycaps, solid build quality and reasonable battery life. The compact 65% size also makes it a good option for commuting or travel. The extended bezel and touch bar don't really bother me, though I get that they might not be everyone's cup of tea. All things considered, the Flow 2 is a sleek, well-built keyboard I'd happily recommend to any Mac user. And that's a wrap for this video. I hope it helped you out. Like and subscribe for more tech reviews. You can also find me on Instagram and Twitter. Thanks for watching.